Welcome to kbbrecruitment.co.uk, your KBB industry-specific job board. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to place a new recruitment advert with us. Firstly, you can always call us at any point in the process. Our number can be found at the top right corner of the screen. Or you can click Post a Job. When you click here, you will be shown our packages: Gold, Silver, Bronze and Platinum. You can view our comparison table or click Add to Basket. A pop-up will then appear on the right-hand side and you can go directly to the checkout. Input your details with your name, address, contact and card details, then click Place Order. You will then see a confirmation screen. Then open your email. You should now have a confirmation VAT receipt which will have a link to our Post and Advert section. Click this. In the Post and Advert section, follow the boxes. Please note some of the boxes are required to be completed. We will then handle the process of getting your advert live within one working day. But as mentioned earlier, you can always call us on 01933 448875. Thank you for using kbbrecruitment.co.uk.